this video we shall be discussing of how to find the units for any physical quantity, and the next one will be significant figures. Okay, so the first one is how to find units for any physical quantity. Okay, physical quantities are like time, distance, speed, acceleration, force, pressure, volume, density. Those are the physical quantities. So let's try with some of the physical quantity. Say volume. Volume is volume of, suppose volume of a cube is a cube. This is the side. So in terms of SI unit, it will be meter cube. Then let's try next one. Pressure is P. The formula of pressure is force by area. Now this force, we deduce it again, that is force equals to mass into acceleration. So mass into acceleration divided by area. The SI unit of mass is kg. SI unit of acceleration is meter second inverse 2 divided by SI unit of area is meter square. So this m and one of the m gets cancelled, and what we get here is kg second inverse 2 divided by m. We can take this m to the upside, so it will become kg meter inverse 1. So second inverse 2. This is the SI unit of pressure. So let me give you one task. Find out the SI unit of density. So density is represented in the form of this symbol. This is called rho. Rho. So density is represented in the form of rho. Of this symbol. Density equals to mass by volume. So you find out the SI unit of this density and let me know. Now moving on to the next one, that is the significant figures. What is significant figures? So significant figures are the digits, and those digits are measured from like any physical quantity. The measured physical quantities or the values, the values for which we are certain about. Say suppose the length. Suppose we have measured certain length, suppose 120 centimeter. And after the measurement, if we are getting this value, then this becomes the significant figures. Say suppose another example, 120.5. This is the measured value. So this becomes the significant figure. That means all the digits, we are certain about. Now there are certain rules to find out the significant figures, and also the rule for rounding off any kind of measured value. Now I'll give you one task. Before that, I'll show you one example. Suppose we are asked to find out the total number of significant figures for the following. The first one says suppose 5,000 meter. Here the total number of significant figures is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of significant figure is 4. Which are they? They are 5, 0, 0 and 0. Another example, say suppose 0.52 gram. We are asked to find out the significant figures. How many significant figures are there in this measured value? There are 2. 2, or you better write in words. So 2. Which are they? That is 5 and 2. the if the number 0 is on the leftmost, then we don't count this one as a significant figure. But all the zeros or the 0 digit, if they are on the right side, then we count them as a significant figure. Say suppose 20.00. Here all total there are 4 significant figures. So they are 2, 0, 0 and 0. So that is how we find out the total number of significant figures. Now let me give you 2 problems. Find out the number of significant figures. First one, 0.2501 gram. Number 2, say 2.050 gram. Then number 3, 200,500 centimeter. You find out the significant figures for the following problems. So that's all about this one. In this video I'll be explaining you only this much. If you have any kind of clarifications to be made, you may kindly give your opinion or just ask in the comment section.